Hello people on YouTube, Brandon back with another video, and today we're going to be restoring the wood for the sand, for the vice, for vice, and hockey sticks.
I'm out where? See, do you...
Can you hold this?
I don't think the mask is really necessary. I'm not peeing. Put down the mask.
There you go. Where'd they get the mask with?
Down from the dollar store.
That was $6 for that whole thing?
What?
That thing?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Not much.
Just hold on what you're talking about when you actually talking.
Sorry. See, this is, we got from 2nd Avenue. Like $6. And that's all Curry's tools and stuff he got a while ago. And his blow torches. Maybe in a video we'll do blow torches one day. In a different video.
Oh, her dog's barking.
I don't hear any dogs.
I do. Not 5. And that's the Right now I'm just setting this up.
Yep, and he got his vacuum from a couple days ago, I think. And he's using it a lot. One for Midnight. If you don't know who Midnight is, he's my guinea pig, our guinea pig.
Mine.
And his.
Not yours.
He's our guinea pig. Anywho. And if you don't know who Rusty is, he's our dog. So yeah.
Okay, now I'm going on with gloves. Remember, so just always pay attention.
I don't pay attention. Sometimes.
Stop.
Anywho. Go subscribe to him.
Cody Parkinson.
To that big guy. Cody Parkinson. Link will be in the description. His your blue hair already faded away.
I don't know.
Huh. He did dye his hair blue, but then it faded away already.
Oh my god. Must do. This is the quarter we'll be using.
I think you're in the tangle, like a tangle slime and slime wrestler.
Trying to tangle this a little bit. I forgot to use it.
And don't worry, guys. I'm using safety glasses too.
Yeah, always get one safety glasses or goggles.
Yeah.
Either way, it's fine.
Or dust mask if you're painting and stuff.
No, paint's mask.
Yeah, painter's mask.
Yeah, you should really use one when you're sanding, but
Whatever. It's not. Just make sure you get safe. That's all. And gloves and stuff. But I'm not gonna be doing anything. All I'm doing is filming stuff.
Let's just start with this hockey man.
We found those hockey sticks in the trash one time for like a big skull thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we took them because they're fine.
Just start taking it apart. First thing I'm going to do is unscrew all these screws. Bang, hand my toolbox.
Yep.
I'll push it. Push it up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mhm.
I don't want you to scratch it back, see?
I know. Focus. Okay, there. Now it focuses.
I'm always saying to stick all the paint off and stuff. No, we should start bringing this channel too.
Yeah. I'll put my Instagram
second
down in the
channel.
description. Yeah, I'll put that one down in the description and yeah. And Instagram.
I know, making a video. I know, making a video. Which, that's what I'm doing here, just backing it up.
Oh yeah. We can do it. There goes the Arizona IC can. Did I pick it up?
Probably wearing hammer flathead screwdriver, skinniest one you can find.
It's probably,
Please.
is it somewhere in the tool? Flathead?
Yeah, skinny one.
This good?
No, it's too
You need one?
Separate it to the skinny. Skinny.
What about this?
What? Sure, just swing it to me. So put it next to me.
I go.
Thank you.
I
Maybe put new screws loose eventually.
Focus.
These screws are fine.
Yeah. Sorry guys if not focusing because it just doesn't focus sometimes. He's something else, the thing, vacuum thing. Just chilly out.
There we go. Don't you know gloves of this part? One more screw.
If you guys like these videos, leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments because we can do more of these eventually. Because we have more stuff like this. And he loves doing it too. So.
Yep, I do.
He watches some restoring videos a lot and he loves them.
These screws are made to take off. Can you pause it?
Sure.